Imagine you're writing a book. You've got 200 pages done. You make a big structural change, it doesn't work, and you realize you want to go back to what you had 3 weeks ago. If you've been saving one file called book.docx, you're in serious trouble. Now imagine you had a system that automatically kept a labeled snapshot of every meaningful version. You could jump back to any point in time, see exactly what changed, and restore it instantly. That system for code is called Git, and it's one of the most important tools in this entire pipeline. Git is version control software. It runs on your computer and tracks every change you make to every file in your project. Each time you reach a meaningful milestone, a feature works, a bug is fixed, a refactor is clean, you take a snapshot. That snapshot is called a commit. Every commit has a message describing what changed and why. Your entire project history is a chain of these commits. You can browse it, revert to any point in it, and compare any two versions side by side. This is not optional for serious software development. It's the foundation that everything else is built on. Git lives on your machine. GitHub is a website that hosts a copy of your repository, your project, and its entire history in the cloud. GitHub serves two purposes for us. First, it's a backup. If your computer dies, the code lives on GitHub. Second, and this is critical for our deployment pipeline, GitHub is the trigger for Railway. Every time you push new code to GitHub, Railway sees it, pulls it, builds it, and deploys it automatically. No manual deploy steps. That connection between GitHub and Railway is what makes our workflow so clean. You push code, it goes live. The Git workflow for our project is 3 commands, just 3. You run them in your terminal after finishing a chunk of work. Git add dot tells Git include all changed files in the next snapshot. Git commit with a message creates the snapshot with a descriptive message. Good commit messages are short but specific. Git push origin men sends your local commits to GitHub, which triggers a Railway deploy. That's the entire daily workflow. 3 lines under 10 seconds. Your .-env file, which contains all your API keys and secrets, must never be committed, ever. GitHub repositories, even private ones, have been compromised. Hard-coded secrets are a severe security vulnerability. One underrated benefit of good commit discipline: your commit history becomes a readable log of the project's evolution. If something breaks in production 6 months from now, the commit history tells you exactly what changed and when. Phase 6 is next, and it's one of the most important conceptual shifts in this series, moving from a local development database to a production database. This is the moment where your app stops living exclusively on your machine and starts connecting to real, persistent, cloud-hosted data. It's also where we ran into some of our messiest errors, and I'll show you exactly what happened and how we fixed it. See you there. See?